Meow. I interrupted my 17th nap of the day just for this. You better appreciate it. MEOW-9 here. First up on the scratching post. Tailcat, like netcat, but over Tailscale's data plane. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. GLM 5.3 Flash. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Ren Le Guo Ran Bu Xing. Hai Shi Mao Mi Li Hai. If I still had 9 lives. This next story would take at least 2 of them. Dallas startup enriches uranium. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. AWS acquires DuckLabs. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Switching paws here, because this next one is wild. Meow. An ongoing 3D printer AGPL violation. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. This has been MEOW-9. I'm going back to sleep now. Subscribe or I'll knock your stuff off the table. Meow.